In this guide, I'm going to walk through how to terminate processes in Linux. And this is a really helpful thing, especially if you're doing server administration or anything like that. I'm going to start off by showing you how you can see all of the processes running. So I'm going to simply type in ps-u, and this shows all of the processes on the system. I'm by myself, I'm not on a server, so this simply shows my username and it shows the two processes running, and that's not too surprising. All I have open is bash and then the command to actually get whatever is coming up. So now let's see though, let's actually mimic something bad happening. So I'm going to come up to the top and I'm going to open up another terminal right here. I'm going to create a really simple Ruby script, and I'm using the IRB command. You don't have to know Ruby or anything like that. All I'm doing is I'm creating an infinite loop, which is something that could crash the server. So I'm just going to say while true puts hey there, and then I'm going to have it go to sleep for 1 second and then end. And as you can see, what all this script is doing is it's printing out hey there over and over and over again. But now if I come back, notice how right here we only had our two different things going on. But now if I do ps-u again, now you can see I have more, and I have another bash shell open, but even more importantly, right here I have an IRB session going, and it is it's taking up dramatically more resources than everything else. And so this is not good. So this is something that if you're managing a server, you may have to be able to kill at a moment's notice. So the way that you can do this is you look at the process ID right here, and you can simply type in kill and then the ID. In this case, it's 23964, and that's it. Now, let's check back on our other window. You can see that this shows up that it was terminated like it should. So notice how we didn't even open up this window, but by running the kill command and then the PID number, we're able to remotely remove this process. And now if I run ps-u again, you can see that it no longer shows up. And if we wanted to run something like this, we could even do something like kill, and then 11, or I believe actually no, we want to do 23953. Kill that, and now you can see that it actually closed the window for us. The other window isn't even open. And if I do ps-u, you can see that no longer does it even have that other bash shell. So this is a way where you can monitor all the processes that are happening on your system. So this is great because if you have some performance issues or anything like that happening, this is a way you can get really granular and see all the processes running at a moment's notice, and then you can very easily remove them and kill them right there. Obviously, a few of these examples like creating a while loop and doing that kind of thing, that was more just to show you how you can do it. But if you're on a server that has some pretty expensive kind of processes running, this is a way that you can clear them out before you reboot or do anything like that. So that is how to use the ps command and the kill command in Linux.